Horse Ranch finally updated! If you peeps don't know, Horse Ranch is by far my favorite add-on on the Minecraft Marketplace, and they have just finally updated with some new content. So I'm just gonna run through real quick what is new in the update so you peeps can check it out with me. So if we go in here, go to my horse, as you peeps already know, there's so much customization that you can do with your horses in Horse Ranch. You can cycle through 16 different colors of so much different tack in here, so much stuff. Oh, didn't want to get on it, but there we go. There's so much, and they just added 2 new tacks as well, which is awesome. I just realized I put the horse mask, the fly mask on. I should take that off to show you. So the first thing they added is headgear. You can now put on bridles or halters, whichever way you want to look at it, onto your horses, and you can have all 16 colors of the bridles, the halters on your horse, which is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited about that. And then there is also horse blankets now. Look at this. You have horse blankets you can go through, and they look absolutely amazing. I am super happy with it. They listen to our feedback, yes. So we have headgear and horse blankets have both been added. We always love some new tack here, but honestly, the most exciting thing for me is, as you just saw, if I want to get to a specific color of any of the tack, I have to be interacting with the horse while holding the item, and you have to cycle through all of the colors to find the one you want. This is the most exciting part for me. If I go and craft here, as you can see, I've already searched it up. They added a Tack Editor item. So if we go here, it's an expensive recipe, but also it is absolutely worth it. If you play Horse Ranch, make sure you try out this update. This Tack Editor item is so amazing. So we have the Tack Editor item now, right? And if we go in here and go up to my horse, and not ride it, hold on. If we hit the horse with the Tack Editor, look at this. We have a menu now. We have a menu where we can just pick the tack that we need. This is why I think it is so expensive of a crafting recipe to make, by the way, because you no longer will need the saddle pad to interact to change the colors. You no longer need the ear bonnet, the horse socks, the fly mask. Once you have the Tack Editor icon, you can literally just interact with your horse, pick anything from this drop down menu, and it will change it. So like here, let's just, I'll just go through and pick some random colors for everything. There we go. Scroll down. Let's pick this one here, pick this one here, pick this one here. Headgear. Let's go with magenta. Submit. Look. Just like that, I changed literally all of the gear on my horse at the same time. I didn't have to scroll through all 16 colors trying to find the color I wanted. It is all just here, and it saves as well. It saves your selections. You don't have to update all of them either. Like if I just want to go through now and let's say I just want to update the blanket to red, that's it, submit, it just changes it and it remembers all of my other settings. Honestly, amazing, amazing update. I'm so excited. You peeps have to go and try this out for yourselves.